Hey, what's going on, guys? Not my regular content, but I think this will help some of you guys. So what I have right here is a Toyota 2002 4Runner, and somebody actually hit this and it's cracked right now. So I'm going to show you guys how to replace this one. So we got to get rid of these two screws. So I removed the bolts. Now we need to pull this out and push it out that way at the same time. Okay, good. So as you can see, there are two spikes here and there that go here and here. So you need to apply that kind of pressure. So this is what the inside looks like. We're gonna twist and pull out the light bulbs. And remember which light bulb came out of which hole. That's gonna come in handy. You can pull out this one. So the orange one was the middle one. So here's the casing. We're gonna replace it with a new one. Here's a new casing that we got off of Amazon. It actually comes with these new bulbs, but for this video, we're not gonna install these. We're gonna use the original bulbs right here. So it's very simple. You just gotta plug in the bulbs. So you're gonna push it in and you're gonna twist it so that it locks in place. Next one is the orange one. Last one is this bulb. Once you hook up all the bulbs, you can push the wire there so it stays out of the way. You'll know what I'm talking about. So now we gotta hook these guys back into these holes. Okay, then next. Okay, good. So now we're gonna let it rip and see if it works. Okay, it's on, put it in reverse. Okay, reverse light's good. Give me a right blinker. Right turn blinker, good. And step on the brakes. Let go of the brakes. Okay, awesome, working.